Hello, I'm Roger here, Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz and Sprinter Vans in Scarborough, Maine. Showing this 2021 Selenite Grey Metallic 144 wheelbase high roof, four-wheel drive. This van is available, it's in stock. We just got this van in a couple of days ago. This one has fog lights you can see right here in the front bumper. Also, this does have the 360-degree camera. One of your cameras is right here, just underneath of the star. It's got the safety sensors too in the front bumper. And then on some of our vans that we've ordered for stock, we do the black painted wheels, which goes really nice with our Selenite Grey Metallic Sprinter van. We got the nice wood floor with the anti-slip coating, tie downs in various places in the floor. We got the sidewall hardboard paneling. It's got the nice Mercedes-Benz trailer hitch. Does have your 7-way connector right here. 270-degree doors. I'm going to open them up for you. So they latch in place right here at 90 degrees. And also they open all the way up to 270 degrees. So if the wind's blowing, if you're parked on a hill, the way the hinges are designed, they'll latch in place so the doors won't just close on you. Nice rear view camera too, just above the third brake light. We'll come around here to the driver's side. We have our fuel filler right here. You open up the driver's side door. Access to the fuel filler. And I really like what Mercedes has done. They put diesel on the caps so it doesn't get mistaken to put gasoline in. This has got the driver convenience package. It's got the driver comfort seat package. You have 5 adjustments on your seat. Nice recliner knob right here. This lever actually jacks the seat up and down for comfort to get adjusted. Nice lower lumbar support right here to adjust for your lower back, and also an adjustment for the back of your legs. Nice seat extender with these beautiful leather seats. Upfitted very nice. It does have heated seats, cruise control, heated electric mirrors. Just an all-around really nice 4x4 Sprinter van. So if anyone out there is looking for a nice 4x4 Sprinter van, please give me a call. My name's Roger. You can reach me on my cell at 207-838-0169. Thank you very much.